Have you heard about the gift? GIF is the genetically improved farm tilapia. I am Miss Edna Junicio, the Global Technical Director of Aquaculture Network. I was one of the pioneering staff of the Genetic Improvement of Farm Tilapias project. This project was conducted in the Philippines for 10 years. That was during 1988 to 1998. So from there, we formed the gift tilapia, which is being implemented by International Center for Living Aquatic Resources Management, which is now the so-called World Fish Center. Let me tell you briefly about the gift tilapia. Gift tilapia is originated not only in the Philippines. Gift tilapia is a product of 8 strains. 4 African strains and 4 domesticated Philippine strains. 4 African strains are the Egypt, Ghana, Senegal, and Kenya. The 4 domesticated strains are the Israel, Singapore, Taiwan, and Thailand. So from there, we formed the 8x8 diallele crosses. So we have 64 crosses, 8 purebreds, and 54 crossbreds. And from there, we form the base population and the selective breeding start. So we established the 10th generation of selection before we disseminate the output of the project. This project is a multi-million US dollar project and funded by the Asian Development Bank and the United Nations Development Program. This project is being worked by the 4 international institutions, the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, National Freshwater Fisheries Technology Research Center, and this is where we did the 10 years genetic improvement project. The University of the Philippines Marine Science Institute, the University of Norway, the Aquaculture Research of Norway, Aquaforsk, and the International Center for Living Aquatic Resources Management. We are here in the cage facility where we are doing our progeny testing. From here, we are comparing the performance of the selected families that we generated from the selective breeding program. With a reference to the continuous research for the past 10 years of the GIFT project era in the Philippines, we found out that this GIFT fish is performing better compared to the local strains available. The growth performance is 85% better, the survival rate also is better, carcass quality also is better. Another important thing here is the magnitude of the genotype by environment interaction is very low, meaning to say that this fish will grow uniformly better when you are going to stock them in the cage, in the ponds, in hapas, or in the raceways. Over the last 9 years, Fish Shoal Nigeria and Aquatic Hub Afrique Network have been working on this genetic improvement of farm tilapia, and this is the so-called the Broodstock Development Program. Since we have already established this program, the superior strains that we generated are now available for fish farmers to stock on their farms.